This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your calls are not ringing on your Android phone. So I have two different Android phones here, but most of the time if you look at the side buttons, you can go up and down with these, and this will control the volume. So you can just increase this and look at the option is increasing the volume for. You might be connected to like a Bluetooth speaker. Just hit the three little dots right here, and just make sure these are up loud enough. And if you see anything low, that's an indication it's not going to be ringing loud enough. So we can just go to the top right now, and we can see the volume options right here again. Go to settings, scrolling down to sound and vibrations. Now under here, make sure this is set to sound, not vibrate or muted. And then it says vibrate while ringing. I'm going to turn this on as well so I know. Then we got a ringtone right here. Make sure the ringtone volume is up loud enough as well. And then we are picking an appropriate ringtone that we can actually hear. Then we can go down and we got system sounds right here. And then we got volume. This should show us the mixer once again. So just make sure ringtones is up. You should have did that before. All right. Then we can go down. We got the call vibrations. So a lot of times once you set this up, you might still be having the issue because you have some called do not disturb turned on. So if you scroll on down, this should be a button right here. It's called Do Not Disturb. So you want to go ahead and just turn this off. So if you have this turned on, Do Not Disturb mutes calls, notifications, and alerts. So just turn this off. Now another thing you can do is just look for reset, and you can reset all your settings. If there is a setting that is causing this, we can go to reset all settings right here. Now this isn't going to delete any information off your phone, but it will reset the settings. So if you reset this, your personal information is still going to be on your phone, but like your network information, you're going to have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi password. So, but this should reset any kind of like sound issues that you're having or anything that you selected. So if you are connected to a Bluetooth speaker, you might want to look at this too. So you might try turning off Bluetooth just for a moment. Make sure you're not connected to any kind of Bluetooth speaker, because you could be trying to take a call on that and not on your phone speaker. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.